Hi everyone, welcome back to our EduAngels channel. Today we'll be looking at the topic bank reconciliations, specifically for grade 11. So if you are in grade 11 and you're looking for help on this topic, please feel free to watch our video, subscribe, like, and comment if it has helped. Okay, so the first thing we want to look at is what is a bank reconciliation? Why do we do it? So the first thing before we even go there, we need to ask ourselves, why would we want to do a bank reconciliation? Why would an entity want to do a bank reconciliation? So if we think about today's world, businesses take control of the cash. So to do this, they facilitate it by depositing cash sales and other receipts. So this is from your CRJ into the current bank account. So this is a physical bank account with Standard Bank, ABSA, you name it. And they also ensure that all payments are made by check or electronically. Okay. So to sum this up, to control the cash in their business, they take all the cash they received in the day. So this they'll record in the CRJ. They deposit it into the bank account. They also make their payments, as seen in the CPJ, through their bank account. So the bank account essentially records all the receipts of the business, all the cash receipts of the business, and it also records all the cash payments of the business. Okay, so that's basically how the controlling cash works. Okay, because we don't want our cash to get lost, stolen, so we deposit it into the bank account so that we can see, what is actually going on. It makes it easy for us to verify the balance on our bank statement, which is an external document, with a bank account, which is our internal record. Okay. So the bank reconciliation takes place when the business compares its records of transactions and its balances. So this is with the CRJ and the CPJ. So these are our books, the entity's books. And we compare our books with the bank records. So this is the bank statement. The bank will give us a bank statement at the end of the month. So it gives us a bank statement at month end. Okay. The bank reconciliation is an essential control process that should be performed every single month. The bookkeeper must meticulously go through every transaction in the CRJ and CPJ to make sure that the transactions and the bank transactions agree. So we want our bank account to agree with our bank statement. Okay. So before we go into depth, let's look at the importance of a bank recon. So why is doing a bank reconciliation important? Firstly, it is an essential part of the business's system of internal control. So we want to make sure that our controls are running smoothly. It also plays an important role in identifying outstanding transactions that are not on the bank statement or in our books, which is our CRJ and our CPJ, as well as bank errors. So what we can take from here is things that are not on our bank statement, not in our books, which are specifically the CRJ or CPJ, and also any errors. Okay. It also plays an important role in preventing and detecting fraud and dishonesty. to identify the correct bank balance and to update records. So this is what's important. We want to identify the correct bank balance and to update our records if we have not recorded any transactions that did take place in our bank account. Deposits made and checks issued must be verified. So when we receive money into our bank account, we call that a deposit. When we pay money, we say we have either issued a check or we paid via EFT. So we want to make sure that it's verified, to make sure that we are not paying someone who does not exist. We also want to make sure that it's actually for our business or from our business. It's also important to do a bank recon because the accuracy of our records and the accuracy of the bank must be checked. So again, we want what is in our records to also show on the bank's records. Then the last one is that the books of the business and that of the bank should agree. So it's essentially the same as this. So to sum this up, the main purpose of doing a bank reconciliation is to make sure that our bank account in our books aligns with our bank statement. We want to make sure that all the information that took place in our bank system, in our book system, is correct and complete.